In this Guitarlele video, I want to do something a little bit different. This tutorial is going to be on a song I wrote called Gypsy Nights. It's going to be something like that. But it's actually taken right from my Guitarlele, my beginning Guitarlele course that I have over at ukelikethepros.com. So if you're interested, after you get through this, if you like the course or you like the lesson, then you should definitely check out the course. And at the end of this, I'm going to also throw in a coupon code. So if you get that course, you get a little bit of a discount. Now, this course is also included in the premium membership. So if you just would rather get a premium membership, get access to my entire site, that is also an option as well. So anyway, thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, turning on that bell notification. And I hope you enjoy what you're about to learn, which is called Gypsy Nights. This is the original tune I wrote called Gypsy Nights. The great thing about it, it's going to have one chord shape. Now 3 different chords, but one shape that's going to work for all 3 chords. It's going to sound like this. Cool, right? Yeah, sounds great. I'm going to use my first finger to strum this entire piece. And the shape here is this. It's part of the, we're going to start with the D minor chord. Now this shape is going to be exactly the same for the next 2 chords. So the next chord is A. And then the last chord here is B flat. Now, so let's go back to the D minor. So D minor. The great thing about this shape, getting up to the A, is all you have to do is take each of your fingers, all 3 of them, just move them up a string set to A. So again, you go back to D minor, move all 3 fingers up to the A. Then once you got that, the 3rd chord, the B flat, all you have to do is take this A shape and slide it up 1 fret, B flat, A, B flat, and A. So pretty cool. Simple, but really effective. Let me play the first bar for you. Did you notice all that is 4 quarter notes switching chords on each beat? So D minor, A, D minor, A. And those are just downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second measure here is going to go. So all I'm doing here is I'm just doing the B flat chord and I'm doing 4 8th notes, so 1 and 2 and I am going to use down, up, down, up. Then we're going to go to A on beat 3, 3, 4 and. So again, B flat, it's 1 and 2 and now A, 3, 4 and. Or the strumming is going to go down, up, down, up, down, down, up. All right, so let's play that. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Then you're just going to repeat these 2 bars. This is essentially just a 2-bar phrase here. So let's try it. Back to the D minor. Ready, and 1 and 2. Repeat. One more time. So notice you do those 2 bars 3 times, and then the end is just this. You notice all it is that B flat, the A measure. You do that twice, and then just end on a D minor. Let's bring the slow backing track in and see how we do. A 1, 2, 3, and. Whole thing now. This is just a fun song to play, jam out on. try to get it even faster, which we will do in a second. And then if you are playing with somebody else, this would be something cool. You could have them solo, or you could solo. If you use the D minor scale, the D minor pentatonic scale would work great over a progression like this. This thing's meant to be played faster, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to now bring in the fast backing track. A 1, 2, 3, and... Make sure you play with a little fire, a little aggression when you play that one. This one is not meant to be played too soft. Just get into it, have fun with it, and we'll see you next time. All right, so what did you think? Did you something cool? I mean, I think it's cool. It's just using that same chord shape over again, but kind of giving a nice Spanish flavor. So again, that is taken right from my Guitarlele course. Actually, the course is called Guitarlele for ukulele and guitar players. It's available at ukelikethepros.com. The coupon, if you like that, of course, is going to be Gypsy Night. So go over to ukelikethepros.com, get that course, and enter that coupon code, get a little bit of a discount. And again, if you would rather, you can also just become a premium member. That course, along with all my courses, all the Q&As, is all included with the premium membership. So thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed Gypsy Nights. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for subscribing as well, leaving a comment, and we'll see you soon.